Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI to generate images. So it's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser on your phone or on your computer. Now, after that, you have to go to the website called gemini.google.com, hit enter. Now you will land on this page where you'll be able to use Gemini 2.0 Flash just right there. So to generate images with the help of Gemini, what you have to do is ask for generate me an image of. Now after typing that, you have to type in your prompt. You can type anything. For instance, I will type as a beautiful brown cat. If I click on send button, let's see if it will generate an image for us or not. As you can see, it is telling me that creating your image with the help of Imagen 3. So I think Imagen 3 is the image generating model. As you can see, it has created me a beautiful picture of a cat, of a brown cat, and it is exactly what I have just given it as a prompt. So that's basically how you can use Gemini AI to generate images, and it's for free. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.